Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, students, I am going to start exercise 6.3. So, question number 1 is here, student. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following numbers? 9801 and something. So, student, you all know 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to say 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81 and 10 square is equal to 100. So student, this is the square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. And square root is given student 1. So स्क्वायर नंबर स्टूडेंट अगर गिवन है तो उसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या हो सकता है स्टूडेंट? इन यूनिट प्लेस स्क्वायर नंबर इज गिवन स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज द स्क्वायर नंबर एंड दिस इज द स्क्वायर रूट स्टूडेंट. स्क्वायर रूट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So square number is given student. If in unit place student 1 in square number 1 is here and 1 is here. So this square root is in unit place 1 or 9. You all studied in introduction video lecture number 1 students. If square number is given and unit place is 1 given, then in unit place of square root is 1 or 9 students. 1 or 9. So first number student given that first one 9801. This is the square number students. This is the square number. So unit digit of square root. So unit digit of square root of 9801 is 1 or 9. 1 or 9 students. 1 or 9. Otherwise could be 1 or 9. Square root of it could be 1 or 9. Could be 1 or 9 students. 1 or 9. सो स्टूडेंट, हम लोगों ने इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो लेक्चर नंबर 1 में सीखा स्क्वायर नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पर 1 होगा स्टूडेंट, तो या तो स्क्वायर रूट में यूनिट प्लेस पर 1 अदरवाइज 9 दोनों हो सकते हैं. सो इन सेकंड वन स्टूडेंट्स 99856. सेकंड वन 99856. सो unit digit of square root of 99856 could be 4 or 6. 4 or 6 students. Look here. square number in unit place is given 6, so square root is 4 student. Unit place 6, then square root is 4. Unit place is 6, then square root in unit place is 6. So if unit place of the square number is 6 given, then unit place of square root is maybe 4 or 6. So could be 4 or 6 students. Third one students, 998001. It means could be 1 or 9, because unit place per 1 है student. Unit place per 1 and 1. So in unit place of square root is 9, otherwise 1. Then fourth one student, fourth one, 657 666 So unit digit could be 5. स्क्वायर नंबर में स्टूडेंट 5 अगर आता है तो यूनिट डिजिट स्क्वायर रूट का क्या होगा, ओनली 5. देख लो और कहीं भी 5 नहीं है. सो स्टूडेंट ये हमें टेबल लर्न होना चाहिए. हमने पहले ही सीख लिया है कि स्क्वायर नंबर में 1 होता है तो स्क्वायर रूट में 1 और 9. स्क्वायर नंबर में 4 होता है यूनिट डिजिट पर, देन 2 और 8. स्क्वायर नंबर में यूनिट डिजिट पर 9 होता है, देन यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट इज 3 और 7. एंड स्टूडेंट 6 होता है तो 4 और 6, 5 होता है तो 5 और 00 होता है तो सिंगल 0. सो स्टूडेंट this is the question number 1. In unit place given student 1, therefore in unit place of square root 1 are 9. 6, then 4 are 6. 1, then 1 are 9. 5, then only 5. So this is the answer students. ओरली हम देख करके आंसर दे सकते हैं, बट लिखने के लिए इस तरह से हम लिख लेंगे. सो वी विल मूव क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टूडेंट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Without any calculation, find the number which are surely not a perfect square. Students, surely not a perfect square. So students, observe the table. If in unit place is given 14965694110, it means in unit place of number is given 0 1 0 student 1 4 9 6 5 0 1 4 9 0 1 4 5 6 and 9. Then number may be perfect square. Then number may be perfect square. Otherwise not. So student, यूनिट प्लेस पर नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पर 0 1 4 5 6 एंड 9 होगा. तो वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो सकता है, स्क्वायर नंबर हो सकता है, अदरवाइज नॉट अ स्क्वायर नंबर. So question number 2 student, first one is given 153. So in unit place student 3, therefore this is not a perfect square student. So this number is not a perfect square. The number 153 is surely not a perfect square. The number 153 is surely not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Because it end in 3. Because it end in 3. Because it ends in 3, whereas the square number end, whereas the square number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 students. So end with number is 3. Therefore this is not a perfect square student. Next, second one students. In question number 2, second one is given that 257. So students, the number 257 is surely not a perfect square. The number 257 is surely not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Because it end in 7. Because it ends with 7. Whereas the square number end with, whereas the square number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 students. So this is not a perfect square. In same way student, third one is also not a perfect square. 408, surely not a perfect square. Surely not a perfect square students. Why? Because it's end with 8 students, but in square number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 स्टूडेंट. एकदम सिंपल है. लास्ट के डिजिट वंस डिजिट में 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 एंड 9 होता है तो मे बी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, अदरवाइज श्योरली नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. देन स्टूडेंट फोर्थ वन 441 in unit place, otherwise ending digit with 1. Ending digit with 1. So it may be perfect square student. So it may be perfect square. The number may be a perfect square. May be perfect square. Because ending digit is 1. Because ending digit is 1 students, because given number ends with 1. 1 से इसका एंड हो रहा है स्टूडेंट, सो दिस इज द मे बी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, we will move question number third one student. Question number third one. So third one student, find the square root. Question number 3, find the square roots by method of repeated subtraction. First one students, given that 100. So हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन किया है व्हाट इज द मेथड ऑफ द रिपीटेड सब्सट्रैक्शन. सो स्टूडेंट, हम ऑड नंबर को 1 से स्टार्ट करके सब्सट्रैक्ट करते जाते हैं गिवन नंबर में. ऑड नंबर को हम सब्सट्रैक्ट करते जाते हैं कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर को. जितने स्टेप में सब्सट्रैक्ट होकर के 0 हो जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज square root student. So look here student, first odd number क्या है 1. So 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. Then second step student, 99 minus consecutive odd number 1 then 3, 96. Third step student, 96 minus 5, this equal to 91. Fourth step, consecutive odd numbers को माइनस करते जाएंगे स्टूडेंट. 91 minus 7. Then fifth step student, 84 minus 9. Then sixth step student, 75 minus 11. Then seventh step student, 64 minus 13. Then eighth step, 51 minus 15. Then ninth step student, 36 minus 17. Then 10th step student, 19 minus 19, 0. तो कॉन्सेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर को सब्सट्रैक्ट किए स्टूडेंट. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 टिल कब तक? जब तक कि हमें 0 नहीं मिल जाता स्टूडेंट. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ square root of 100 will be 10. 100 will be 10 students. Square root of 100 will be 10. Why students? Be subtracted successive odd number. Be subtracted successive odd numbers starting from 1 and obtained 0. Starting from 1 and obtain 0, obtained 0 at the 10th step, at the 10th step, at the 10th step. Therefore, root 100 is equal to 10 students. Square root 100 will be 10. Why? B subtracted successive odd numbers starting from 1 and obtained 0 at the 10th step. Therefore, square root of given number is 10. So, next student, 169. Next number 169 student. 169. So, first student 169 minus 1, 168. Second step 168 minus 3, 165. Third step student 165 minus 5, 160. Fourth step 160 minus 7, 153. Then fifth step student 153 minus 9, 144. Then sixth step student 144 minus 11. Successive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like this. So 133. Then seventh step 133 minus 13. Then eighth step 120 minus 15. Ninth step 105 minus 17. Then 10th step student 88 minus 19. 11th step 71 minus 21 student. Then 12th step 50 minus 23. 50 minus 23 is equal to 27 student. Then 13th step 27 minus 25. कहीं मिस्टेक हो रहा है स्टूडेंट, 13 स्टेप में आना चाहिए. Once again repeat. 169 minus 1, 168 minus 3, 165 minus 5, 160 minus 7, 153, then minus 9, 144, then minus 11, 133, then minus 13 student. 11, then 13, 120, 120 minus 15, 105, then minus 17, minus 17, 88, then 88 minus 19 student. 88 minus 19, 69 student. Here mistakes. So 69 minus 21, 48 student. 48 minus 23, 25 student. Then 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So we subtract successive odd numbers. So we subtract successive odd number starting from 1 and obtained 0 at the 13th step. 13th step. 13th step. Therefore, square root of 169 is equal to 13. This is the proper answer, students. So, we will move next question, student. Question number 4th one. So, student, find the square root. Question number 4th one. Find the square root by prime factorization method. Square root by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, students. So, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड हम लोगों ने पहले सीख लिया स्टूडेंट. उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स करेंगे, पेयरिंग करेंगे, देन हर एक पेयर से एक एक नंबर को सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे. दैट इज द स्क्वायर रूट. सो फर्स्ट वन स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट वन 729. सो you all know divisibility test, student. In unit place 9 is given, so it may be divisible by 3. Otherwise 7 to 9, 9, 18, sum of the all digit is equal to 18 and divisible by 3, then number is also divisible by 3. So student, try to find the factors. Prime factor 3, 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 3, 3 ja again, 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja, then 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja, then 3 9 ja, then 3 3 ja, then 3 1 ja, students. So this is the prime factor, students. So by pairing the prime factors, we get, by pairing the prime factors, by pairing the prime factors, we get 729 is equal to, student, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 6 times. So pairing the prime factor, students. Root 729 is equal to, taking one number in each pair. So root 729 is equal to 27. This is the answer, student. Second one also given, student, 400. So first of all, find prime factorization, student. Prime factorization. 2, then 100, then 50, then 25, then 5, and then 1, student. So by pairing the prime factorization, by pairing the prime factorization, students, by pairing the prime factorization, 400, we get 400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, then 5 into 5. So square root of 400 is equal to, taking one number in each pair, so 2 into 2 into 5. This will be equal to 20. So square root of 400 is equal to 20, students. So next, student, we will move next question. Question number third one, question number 3. Third one in question number 3, students. Third one, 1764. 1764. In last digit 4 divisible by 2. So prime factorization, student. 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja, then 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 2 1 ja, then student 4, 4, 8 and 1, 9. Sum of digit is 9. So it will be divided by 3 students. So 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 7 ja. Then 3 4 ja, 12 and 3 9 ja. Then 7 7 ja, 7 1 ja. So student, prime factorization of 1764 is equal to 2, 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 by pairing the prime factorization. By pairing the prime factorization, students, and taking 1 number in each pair, so square root of this equal to square root of 1764 is equal to 42 students. Then next student, next fourth one. Next fourth one student, 4096. This is the third one, fourth one, 4096. In unit place 6 is given students, so it divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 0, 2 4 ja 2 8 ja, then 2 1 ja 0, 2 2 ja 2 4 ja, then 2 5 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja, then 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 8 ja, then 2 6 ja and 4 ja, then 2 3 ja 2 ja, then 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 2 8 ja, then 2 4, then 2 2, then 2 1. So student, by pairing 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 time student. So 2 into 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 2 students. So 12 time 2. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5th pair and 6th pair. So square root of 4096 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It means 64 students. So square root of 4096 is equal to 64. Then fifth one student. Question number 3. Fifth one. 5929 student. 5929. So in unit place 9 is given student. So it is not divisible by 2. Then check it divisible by 3 or not. So 9 to 11, 25. No. This is not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 6. Then check it is divisible by 7 or not. So 7 8 ja 7 8 ja 56, 3 7 4 ja 28 and 4 7 7 ja 49. So it is divisible by 7. Then 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 1 ja, then 11 and this. So 5929 is equal to 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. Pairing this, so root 5929 is equal to 7 into 11 is equal to 77 student. So next question student. Next, this is the 59 student, 5929. This is the question number 7th one. Seventh one student. This is the seventh one. So sixth, fifth one student. सेवंथ, फिफ्थ वन और सिक्स्थ वन छूट गया तो फिफ्थ वन देखो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ वन. दिस इज द सेवंथ वन स्टूडेंट. सो नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वन. फिफ्थ वन 7 7 4 4. This is the fifth one. Unit digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2 student. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16, 1 2 7 ja 2 2 ja, then 2 1 ja 2 9 ja 2 3 ja 2 4 ja, then 2 2 9 ja 2 6 ja 2 7 ja. स्टूडेंट्स फिर से चेक करते हैं. 2 3 जा 6, 1 17, 2 8 जा 16, 1 14, 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 9 जा 18, 2 3 जा 6, 12, 2 6 जा. So again 2 9 जा 18, 1 13, 2 6 ja 12, 1 2 8 ja. Then again divisible by 2, 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 8, 1 16, 2 8 ja and 2 4 ja. Then 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja. Then 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja. Then 11 1 ja 11, then 11 and 1. So student, the prime factorization of by pairing the prime factor, by pairing the prime factor, pairing the prime factors. 7 7 4 4 is equal to 2 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Pairing students. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Square root of this. 88 student. This is the question number fifth one student. Then question number sixth one student. Next we will move question number sixth one. So sixth one is given 9604. 9604. It is divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 2 8 ja 0 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 0 2 1 ja. So students, this is divisible by 7. 7 3 ja. Then again 7. Then 7. Then 7. So 9604 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 by pairing the prime factor students. So square root of 9604 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7 is equal to 98 student. This is the question number sixth one. Seventh one already done student. Then eighth one student. Eighth one. So eighth one 5 9 student. 9216. Eighth one 9216. So 2 4 ja 2 6 ja 2 8 ja. Then 2 2 जा 2, 3 जा 2, 4 जा. Then student 3, 7 जा 3, 9 जा 3, 7 जा 21. 2, 3, 6 जा 3, 8 जा. Then 3, 2 जा 6, 1, 16. 3, 5 जा 3, 6 जा. Then students, it is divisible by 2 also. 2, 1 जा 2, 2 जा 2, 8 जा 2, 6 जा 2, 4 जा 2, 32. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2, 1 student. So 2 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So pairing this 9, 2, 1, 6 is equal to 2 into 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 2, 10 times, and 3 2 times. Then pairing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 96 student. So square root of 9216 is equal to 96. Then ninth one student. Ninth one student. 5 to 9. 5 to 9. So 23 student. 22, 23 2 जा 23 2 जा 46. So 6 3 जा. Then 23 1 जा. So 5 to 9 is equal to 23 into 23. Then pairing students, and root of 5 to 9 is equal to 23. Next, last question in question number 4 students. So question number 4th one, 10. 8 1 0 0. Find prime factorization student. 2 4 जा and this. Then 2 2 जा 2 2 जा 5 जा. Then 3 6 जा 3 7 जा 3 5 जा. Then 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6, 3 5 जा. Then 3 7 जा 3 5 जा. Then 3, then 5, then 5 student. So 8100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So square root of this, pairing this, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this equal to 90 students.